If you want high footfall for your bakery like it's Black Friday, or your family members rushing your bread like bees on nectar, watch how top chefs bake banana bread. Yummy, tender, appetizing, and to top it, healthy. Add sliced banana into a blender, eggs to boost the protein quality. Then, add date powder or honey to sweeten. Between 5 to 10 milliliters of oil, a spoonful of vitamin-enriched butter, and 200 milliliters of milk for calcium. 10 grams of yeast to give you the rich fluffy feel is also added. Blend them together till you have a homogeneous mix. You should feel the richness swirl. Each time we have this, everyone always asks for more, like we can't get enough of it. Pour the mixture into a bowl. Add some banana flavor, but I prefer to add cinnamon powder and some clove powder. Mix very well. 500 grams of flour is added and stirred carefully with a spatula. It is placed on a flat surface for the first round of knockdown or kneading. Knead till you have smooth dough. Yes, just like this. Place into the bowl that already has some sprinkled flour in it. Cover with a cloth and let it rest for about 30 minutes. The size would have doubled. That's the job of the yeast. Now it's time to knead again. This is called punching down or knocking back, and it serves to redistribute the gases produced during fermentation, relax the gluten, and make the dough easier to handle for shaping. Smoothened out gives the smooth and refreshing inner texture. Now it's time to give it the desired mold and shape. It's totally up to you what final shape you want. But we are going for the semi-S-shaped bread. Pre-slicing allows for easy breaking of the bread after all is done and set. You'd love it, trust me. Gently placing the bread at linear angles gives us the desired curves and contortions we want the bread to have. For luxurious feel, apply some liquid milk on the surface and cover it for about 20 minutes. Milk inhibits gluten formation, resulting in a less chewy and more tender crust. Apply egg yolk on the surface. Takes your bread to another class with the rich golden brown and shiny feel. Of course, after baking for 40 minutes in a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade, coat with butter for that irresistible aroma that beckons on you again and again and again. Apply the butter while the bread is fresh from oven, for the heat from the bread melts out the sweet sensation of natural flavor that connects to your brain. What is your favorite fruit bread? Would you be adding raisins or coconut? Let us know in the comment section.